This strategy is a resistance becomes support strategy to the upside, and if you trade shorts, it's a support becomes resistance strategy. So it's a pullback trend strategy. And of course, in trading, everything is not black and white. Like if it was that simple, everyone would be a millionaire. But I coded a system that I call 10x trading system. And 10x is based on levels, price action, and trend strategies to give you accurate buy and sell signal. Now, combined with strategy training, like I have in the members area for those who join 10x, and like this training here, you can get a very high win rate and trade this strategy very profitable. So let's take a few examples of trades I have traded. So what I looked for was basically a move showing us that we're in a trend. Then I wanted a 10x signal at support. So resistance becomes support. So when we have this high here and we get a 10x signal at that level, that's a level where I want to enter. Now I enter as soon as this candle close, put my stop loss below, and I prefer to use a trading stop loss. You can use risk reward ratio as well. So I recommend minimum 5 risk rewards. So for every $100 you risk, you make $500. Now this was a very nice trade, took my profits right here. Now I just simply wait with patience for a new signal at a support level. And we see that these resistance levels here formed a nice level when we come back to that, and we have a 10x signal. So I entered here, put my stop loss below here. I was not stopped out on this candle, and price then moved up. And when I saw these two sell signals, I closed my trade here. Then I just wait for a new buy signal because we're still moving up. So when I had this signal here pretty close to this support, I entered this trade, put my stop loss below the signal symbol, and now we're not stopped out here. So a nice move, and I closed on the sell signal. We had a new buy signal here at resistance becomes support. So I enter on that, and basically now we're just moving here. And my stop loss is below here. So this candle right here took me out for a very small loss, but that's what happens. Trading is not 100%. So thanks for watching. I hope you got a ton of value out of this training, and hope to talk to you very soon.